Welcome to the craft table. We will spend our time here learning about crocheting and putting our skills to the test. Before we start learning to crochet, we want to understand the tools and items we need. Let's start off by looking at the essential tool for crocheting: the crochet hook. Crochet hooks come in different materials, each with its own benefits. Metal hooks are durable and smooth, making them a great choice for beginners, though they can feel cold. Plastic hooks are lightweight and warm up quickly, but they can snap or have slight imperfections. Wooden hooks are warm to hold and add some helpful friction, but they can break or splinter more easily. Some crochet hooks come with a grip to add additional comfort. For the best experience, we recommend starting with a metal hook that has a comfortable grip. Crochet hooks are labeled in 3 different ways: millimeters, US sizes, and UK sizes. Usually you'll see both the millimeters and US sizes listed on the hook. It's kind of like shoe size labeling, which can vary depending on the country or gender. As you can see on the chart, crochet hooks come in various sizes. For beginners, a 5.5 millimeter hook, also known as an I9, is a great option because it's versatile and works well with many yarn weights. We recommend relying on the metric millimeter size for the most accuracy, since US sizing can differ between brands. We've also included a handy crochet hook size cheat sheet for you in the course resources. Crochet hooks come in 2 main styles: inline and tapered. Inline hooks are great for keeping your stitch sizes consistent and offer more precision. Tapered hooks, on the other hand, help create smoother stitches and work well with a more relaxed grip. We'll use tapered hooks for this course, but feel free to use whichever style you prefer. When selecting the right hook, you have 2 approaches. First, you can refer to the yarn label for the recommended hook size and use that. Alternatively, feel free to experiment with various hook sizes until you achieve the results you want. Let's take a look at an example on the iPad. Here's an example of how crochet hook size can affect your pieces. In this sample, we used the same yarn to make 3 swatches, each with 10 rows of 10 single crochets. The difference in size comes from using different hook sizes for each swatch. Experimenting with various hook sizes is part of the fun, so don't hesitate to find the best fit for your style. Now that we've explored crochet hooks, let's dive into some essential supplies that will make your crocheting experience smoother and more enjoyable.